Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ivandunde. If you're new here, you're most welcome to this family. Yeah, please make sure if you haven't subscribed, you subscribe down below. Yeah, so let's get right into this video. We are going to be doing this fro hair look. Yep, it's the big bun top bun tutorial. Yeah, so keep on watching for you to see how I achieved it. I am in a group in Facebook. It's called Trisha Naturals, and I uploaded a picture there asking if you like the big bun or the smaller bun. Now so many of you said you like the bigger bun, so in this video that's what I'm going to show you. You don't actually need all these products that I'll show you. Mainly what you need is water. It doesn't have to be in the continuous bottle. You can have the spritz one, and you will need, not necessarily, but a gel is important. In this case I'll be using the Eco Styler gel. I will also use my coconut oil, and you will also need the anti-jackies right there. Conditioner, this is the leave-in conditioner. If you lay your edges, this, either a toothbrush or this brush comes in handy. You will need this brush to just lay your hair in place and put it in place. And this is the most important part. This is the most important one when it comes to having a bigger bun, because of picking the hair and fluffing it out. You will also need a string, whichever string you use, that's you. The last thing you will need is some bobby pins, the bobby pins. So let's get started. We are going to start with what I do is get the twists and unravel them. Oh, my hair is so moisturized. Look at that. Ooh. So you want to, and I had already detangled the hair, so I'll not be detangling again. I love it when my hair is super moisturized. Look at the curls, guys. I could actually just comb this out and go out of the house, but that's not why we are doing this. I had moisturized my hair with shea butter and coconut oil, and it's loving it. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I'll also be using this hair growth black castor oil and the peppermint oil. These are good, really good for growth if you want to grow your hair. So this I'm going to apply directly to my scalp. So that was the castor oil. We will go in again with the peppermint oil. This, as the name suggests, it has mint, so it will leave your hair feeling so good. After that, you will take your water. Don't apply so much water because of shrinkage. I'll actually not use this since I had already used it when I washed it. So then I'll go in with my gel. I will also not use the coconut oil since my hair is already super moisturized. So it's just going to stay as it is. This process is also not a must if you don't have longer hair. I just put it like that so that I can apply my gel easily. You can also use whichever gel you feel makes your hair feel good. Now we will take this comb. I'm also gonna go in with this side and remove then we will take our string. And you are going to tie or just simply twist. Make sure it's a little bit tight so that you can manage to pull the hair and still, pull the string from the back. And then, since we want a top bun, we are not going to take the string all the way down. It's just going to be a little bit on the front. So we are going to take our bobby pins. We don't want this string to be thin. We are going to pin it down. So I'm going to lay my edges. After you've laid your edges, you need to go back and tie. You need to tie so that the gel holds your hair in place and so that it can stay for as long as you want it to stay. So we are going to leave it for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to remove and then fluff my fro again so that it's so full and huge. So guys, we are going to remove this. And our edges are laid. So again, we are going to go in and fluff our bun out. So yeah guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Cheers.